Subscribe to Bookworm
and press the bell icon.
Watch various interesting educational videos.
Hello friends, welcome back to Bookworm. It's me Shukiti Sharkar and today I will teach how to write a formal letter in a correct pattern. So let's begin. Letters is a written, typed or printed communication sent in an envelope by a post or messenger. Letters are classified as formal or informal. Formal letters do have a stipulated format for official purpose such as authorities, dignitaries, colleagues, seniors, etc. and not for personal contact and requires the use of vocabulary and spelling correctly. And one more thing, formal letters, while writing formal letters, you have to use some respectful languages and not casual languages. So, formal letters should be brief, precise and directly pointing the objective for which the letter is being written as clear and complete as possible. Whereas in informal letters are written to your close friends, families, relatives, etc. and they do have a personal tone, that is, this letter do have a casual languages and some emotional tone. So now the format of the formal letters. First, I have to write the sender's address, means you have to give your own address from where you are writing this letter. Then you have to write the date followed by the receiver's address, that is the address of the person whom you are writing this letter. Then comes the salutation or greetings. Greetings must be respectful and general greetings used in the formal letters are sir or madam, as dear sir / madam. If you know the name of the person, the salutation may be Mr. XYZ, say, or Miss XYZ. But you cannot address them only by their first name. You have to use the full name or last name. Then comes the subject, where we will sum up the purpose of the writing this letter in one line. Then comes the main body of the letter. First part, it should provide an introduction as to why you are writing this letter, so that your reason for contacting the person is obvious from the beginning. Second paragraph should provide specific details about your request or information you are providing. And last paragraph, you should restate the reason you are writing this letter and thank the reader for reviewing your request. And finally, closing remark with thanking you, yours faithfully or yours sincerely or best regards. And then you have to provide your signature. Below that, you have to write your full name in block letters within bracket. So, this is the whole format of the formal letters. One more thing, you have to keep your mind while writing this formal letter, that the spacing between the paragraphs should be maintained. Otherwise, the letter would be clumsy and messy. Let's move on to the example. So, the first example. You are writing this letter to the editor-in-chief of some newspaper that the potholes in your locality is causing difficulties for many people, and you wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities with the help of this newspaper. So, as per the format is concerned, first you have to write the sender's address, means your address, then date, followed by the receiver's address, then the subject, then finally the body of the letter starts after greetings. First part is the brief introduction of the purpose of writing this letter. Second, giving some information. And third, concluding remarks, restating the purpose. Finally, thanking you. Then closing remarks. Then you have to write your name and sign it. In this letter, the body part comprises of 3 paras. But it is not compulsory that it can be of 3 paras. It can be of 3, 2, 1. Clearly stating this according to the purpose of writing this letter. So, now the next example, where you are writing this letter to order a journal. So, here the body part comprise of 1 paras, and the format is same, that you have to write the sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, salutation and greetings, and then you have to write the body part, and then finally the closing remarks. So this is all about how to write a formal letter. If you have any doubts or queries, you can write in the comment section. So hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.